Hello, I'm Anna Pollard, instructor at MyFunScience.com. The purpose of this information and communications technology course is to provide students with the computer, digital, and information technology skills necessary for success in their future academic and occupational goals. In addition to fundamental computer information, the content includes, but it's not limited to, digital technologies associated with multimedia, word processing, spreadsheets, internet communications, and cybersecurity. Learning Microsoft Office can help you be more productive, improve your teamwork skills, and advance your career. In this course, students will learn Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Students will also learn how to properly format business letters. Students will learn how to properly format resumes. Students will also learn how to properly format a research report in addition to creating flyers and newsletters. They will create, save, and navigate an Excel workbook, enter data in a worksheet, construct and copy formulas and use the sum function, format cells with merge and center, cell styles, adding themes, chart data to create a column chart and insert spark lines. They'll print a worksheet, display formulas, and close Excel. They will check spelling in a worksheet, learn how to enter data by range, construct formulas for mathematical operations, edit values in a worksheet, and format a worksheet. They will also learn different types of data charts and how to format them. They will learn presentation software, learn how to create a new presentation, edit a presentation, add pictures, how to print and view a presentation, edit an existing presentation using transitions and animations, formatting numbered and bulleted lists, inserting pictures, text boxes, and objects. In addition to learning Microsoft Office, we will also learn some important concepts of computer and information processing, hardware and system software, network security and privacy, troubleshooting and maintenance, application software, the internet and digital ethics and awareness, and cloud computing. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Information and Communication Technology course at MyFunScience.com. Please contact me if you have questions, and I hope to see you in class soon. Have a blessed day.